Baby, look at me. Mama love you. And I know you ain't no little boy no more, but you'll always be my baby. It seems like only yesterday I was holding you in my arms. Now look at you now, big man. But I worry about you. I worry about you all the time. Hanging out on the corner all times of night with the cruel people. Baby, that ain't nothing but trouble. I always taught you that you could have whatever you dream. Well, I want you to hold on to that dream, baby. Hold on to it real tight, 'cause the sky's the limit.
I'm on my grind harder than ever now. Why is that? 'Cause I'm tired of seeing my mama struggle. I'm out here hustling from the muscle. I gotta get it 'cause I'm tired of seeing my family not having shit. This is on some real shit. Late nights and early mornings, sleepless nights trying to get my career right, 'cause struggling is boring. But God wouldn't put me in a situation I can't handle. These problems come my way, I pray that they're dismantled. They say the sky's the limit. Well, me, I'm trying to get past that and got my team in the right path like a quarterback. Yeah, quarterback like Drew Brees in Super Bowl. We stay humble and stay patient, and then we gon' get the goal without selling our souls. Make it in the game and put on for the 702 zone. I'm repping my city, my home. Make it in the game and put on for the 702 zone. I'm repping my city, my home. Hey, hey.
Why is the limit and you know that you keep on, just keep on pressing on. Sky is the limit and you know that you can have what you want, be what you want. Sky is the limit and you know that you keep on, just keep on pressing on. Sky is the limit and you know that you can have what you want, be what you want, have what you want, be what you want.
You see, life with no struggle is a book with no story. You work hard but can't seem to find for for glory. So you become depressed instead of keeping your head up, praying, and then start aiming for the best. Like accomplishing your dreams and being heard. Staying true to yourself but touching lives with your words. Nowadays that's unheard, 'cause people want to be the big man with a plan instead of lending out a helping hand to those who don't have role models, and those who are looking for survival from drinking from the bottles instead of reading the Bible. So they idol those on TV and not the true being that's inside you. Yeah, I done seen it all. Even when defeat was looking me in my eyes, I didn't fall. I stood tall and held my ground. I looked to the clouds and then I said the sky's the limit now. The sky's the limit now. The sky's the limit now.
Sky is the limit and